Celsius and Fahrenheit. Difference and usage. Do you know what weather is in America? No? Let's listen to the radio to learn. We are going to listen to the weather forecast in one of the biggest cities in America, New York.
The New York City forecast here on this Tuesday. A rumble of thunder, mid-60s tonight. Tomorrow, scattered showers likely, breezy and cool, 57.
Wow, temperature is mid-60s? And 57 degrees? How is it possible? I don't know. Let's listen to something else. Take a San Francisco weather forecast.
Tuesday brings beautiful weather for Golden Gate Bridge, 69 degrees at Fisherman's Wharf, 63 at Half Moon Bay. We'll be in the mid-70s in the San Francisco suburbs for the afternoon high, 75 at Fairfield, 73 at Livermore, and 71 degrees at San Jose in the Silicon Valley.
69 degrees, 63 degrees, 70s, 75 degrees, 73 degrees, 71 degrees. What's that? Who can tell me? I am going to look up on the internet. Let's ask Google about it. Aha! I'll show you what I have learned. The problem is that people in America use Fahrenheit scale to measure temperature. And in Russia, we use Celsius scale. Anyway, it's helpful to be able to convert between Celsius and Fahrenheit if you go to some other countries of the world. Well, okay, it's not really a lot of countries that still use Fahrenheit scale. Look at the map. Actually, it is widely used only in the United States of America. In Liberia, it's an African country, and Myanmar, it is used to be known as Burma, and some small states and islands such as the Bahamas, Belize, the Cayman Islands, the U.S. Virgin Islands, Puerto Rico. They are all situated near the United States, right here. And also American Samoa and Palau. You could, of course, install an application on your phone that would do the conversion for you. But where is the fun of that? In science, the Celsius scale is used more often than the Fahrenheit scale. The Celsius scale is divided into 100 equal parts, called degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit thermometer, lower fixed point is determined as 32 degrees and upper fixed point as 212 degrees. And there are 180 degrees between the two fixed points. These points are highest and lowest because they determine the freezing point and boiling point of water. The scales got their names thanks to the scientists Anders Celsius and Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. They both made their scales in the 18th century. Let's look at degrees on these scales to establish the correspondence between them. The freezing point of water is 0 degree by Celsius and 32 degrees by Fahrenheit. The boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius and 212 112 degrees Fahrenheit. Our everyday room temperature is about 18 degrees by Celsius in Russia, and it will be about 65 degrees in America. Body temperature of 37 degrees is equal to 98.6. And the highest temperatures on our planet are 58 by Celsius and 136 by Fahrenheit. Would you like to know where they are? Let's look at the hottest places of our planet. Scales differ a lot, but converting between temperatures on the Celsius and Fahrenheit scales is easy. If we take the Celsius degrees and divide them into 100, it will equal to Fahrenheit degrees dividing into 180. But subtract 32 because it is the starting point of the scale. Then we do some mathematical calculations. Celsius will be 32 subtract from Fahrenheit, divide into 180, and centuple. It means we should multiply by 100. Then we cancel 100 and 180 into 9 and 5. And the final formula is Fahrenheit subtract 32 and divide into 1.8. And if you want to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit, we should multiply Celsius degrees by 1.8 and then add 32. Look at the scheme. Well, imagine that you woke up today in Atlanta, state Georgia, in the USA, and all the news outlets were talking only in Fahrenheit temperatures. Their forecast for the whole upcoming weekend, Friday through Sunday, is for a high temperature of 60s and 80s by Fahrenheit.
From the Weather Channel, here's your Atlanta area forecast for this Tuesday. We could be looking at highs only in the 50s here across the Atlanta area. Mixed clouds and sun and warm for us out here again this afternoon, highs around 80. Tonight, partly cloudy near 60. And a chance for a few showers, even a rumble of thunder, highs around 70. This week starting at 7 a.m. on America's Morning Headquarters, only on the Weather Channel.
Is that really hot? Is it going to be a gorgeous weekend? Should you buy ice? To answer all these questions, we should try to convert temperatures ourselves. So, 50 degrees are equal to 10 degrees by Celsius. 60 degrees are the same as 15.6 in Russia. 70 degrees are 21.1 in our country. And 80 degrees are 26.7 degrees in our thermometers. Isn't it easy? Hey, it's up to 25 today, so dress accordingly.
I understand. Thank you.
The 25 degrees by Celsius, not Fahrenheit.